How to create a YouTube channel art? Go to your YouTube channel page and click on the camera icon next to your channel name. Click on the Add Channel Art button. Select an image from your computer or choose one from the YouTube gallery. Crop and resize the image to fit the channel art dimensions, 2560 by 1440 pixels. Use the tools provided to adjust the brightness, contrast, and color of the image as desired. Use the text and graphics tools to add any desired text or graphics to your channel art. Preview your channel art to ensure it looks how you want it to. Click the Publish button to save your changes and make your new channel art live. Note: you can also create your own channel art using a graphic design program such as Photoshop or Canva and then uploading it to YouTube. Just make sure to follow the dimensions and file size guidelines provided by YouTube.